Hi guys, Assalaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bake with me video and we're going to be making some red velvet cake, and this is from the Duncan Hines. Is that how you pronounce it? Cake mix, like cake box mix. I don't know, but I'm gonna be making some red velvet cake today, and I'm gonna be trying to make the red drip cake with white chocolate ganache. So this is my first time that I'm gonna be doing that. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna be showing you what you're gonna need. So obviously you'll need your cake mix box, and according to the instructions given there, you're also gonna need 1 cup of water. It says water, but usually I make my cakes with milk and water, like a mix of both of them. And you're gonna need 1/3 cup of oil, and you're also gonna need 3 eggs. I'm gonna put them right there. So yeah, that is all you're gonna need for this cake. And obviously you're gonna need a container or a bowl to mix it in, and something to mix with, like a spoon, and also a cake pan, greased cake pan. So now that we have everything here, let's get started with making the cake. Alright guys, so now we're going to be making the whipped cream, and for that I have the Puck whipping cream and some icing sugar and some vanilla essence. So I'm gonna put the whipping cream inside here, and then I have a hand mixer which I'll just get in a second. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put in all of these 3 things into this bowl and just whip it with my hand mixer, and yeah. Alright, so in you go. And now we'll put in a little bit of the icing sugar. And now the vanilla extract or essence. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna beat it until I get some soft peaks and till the whipping cream is ready. cake looks like after the crumb coat. I'm now gonna pop this into the fridge so it cools down a little bit, and then I'm gonna be making my white chocolate ganache. So let's move on to that. Alright guys, so now we're going to be making the drip ganache, and for that I have some white chocolate and some dark chocolate chips. You can also use some milk chocolate chips, but I'm just going to use that because I'm going to be dyeing this red, and because of the dark chocolate it's going to get a more rich red color. So what we're going to do is we're going to microwave this until all of this gets melted. So as you can see, all of my chocolate is melted, and one thing that I would like to mention is that you need to keep checking your chocolate every like 10 to 15 seconds because it melts really fast and you don't want it to burn, so keep that in mind. And now that this is all melted, I'm gonna add some red food coloring and then add in some of the hot heavy cream. Alright guys, so the cake is out of the fridge now and we have our ganache here, so I'm gonna start doing the dripping. So let's go.
Ninety-nine names of Allah. الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر الخالق البارئ المصور الغفار القهار الوهاب الرزاق الفتاح الفتاح العليم القابض الباسط الخافض الرافع